Day 3, check them out for clouds. But it's actually warmer today, and that big shiny thing up there, look.
Hopefully we're heading that way to Perranporth.
Keeps sticking its head out.
Again.
You gonna say it, mate?
Hi. Hi.
Where are we going today, Bethan?
Perranporth.
Off to Perranporth, hopefully getting to sea.
My favourite beach. I'm going to look into Pergamon and go again.
Oh, okay, gotta log in again.
Where's the snorkels?
In the boat, the snorkels are in the boat, bodyboards are in the boat.
Snorkel.
Here's the pitch and putt, which we've not done yet. Bit of golf.
Let's do it today. No.
Looks to me like that. It's going that way.
Well,
So that is going to be better.
you can
If the
see.
day goes on.
I think, yeah. Look, blue sky, just past her face. Did you see it? Blue sky. Take a photograph. We have not had much of that since we got there. As you've seen in previous videos, it has been a bit.
Like forever we haven't had blue sky.
It's been sketchy, kid, hasn't it? We have to admit it has been
Can you
sketchy.
see your sandbag?
Right, guys. Well, we'll see you in Perranporth. This is where we normally stay, guys. This is Hendra Holiday Camp.
Bye, Hendra.
Which it's a gold award-winning camp, and it's absolutely awesome. It's
its name.
If ever you're going to come to Newquay, we as a family really recommend that you stay there. It's absolutely beautiful. Anyway, we're not there this year, so tough nuggies.
That's it.
Coming up to another one, guys. Perran Sands. We've stayed on that quite a few years.
Beach.
Got its own private beach. It is a really nice site, but it is very expensive. Haven is not a cheap campsite, a touring site to stay on. And now we're just driving into Perranporth, so I thought I'd show you the view because it is kind of stunning.
Housing estate, another one.
You can see skies are blowing up a bit.
Look at all the new houses.
Oh wow, they've doubled size of place. This were a little village. That you see Naz new, all them little yellow houses, and that on cliffs there is old village. That more or less that weren't there last year.
No, it was not.
They've literally doubled size of village in a year.
Oh, this is what I call Balamory Village.
Yeah.
We all
Mum calls it Balamory. Well, we kind of all called it Balamory. It did look like Balamory, and now it looks like they've put a council estate on the side. Pardon me, I'm all
They all
bunged
look
up.
like
There's a
prefabs.
fire engine place.
They all look like prefabs, don't they?
Right, I'll stop that
care.
now, and I'll show you when we get
I
there.
want terminals.
No, I even if it looks like a council estate, to live in this lovely little village.
Tell you what'll happen. They'll
It's
all be
beautiful.
painted. They're not going to stay that colour.
Yeah, maybe. They've kind of beiged them all up.
They'll be Balamory in them. They'll be painting them.
The weird thing down here is everybody has like green and pink and blue and yellow houses. It's kind of cool.
He's cool though.
Oh my God, what's that they're building? What's that?
Oh, it's the old hotel. That's on beach.
Wow,
It's a
there's
bit of an eyesore.
you've got like a beautiful seaside village and then some giant
got to do-
concrete eyesore.
They're revamping some that
Oh, well.
hotel that's on
Wait,
beach.
this way we
Back in a sec.
parked once and my-
Perranporth Beach. That is the famous watering hole pub on the beach where you can get really nice beers and go and see live bands like we did last year. That's a cup of tea van.
Where's the net?
Volleyball net, they took it down. It were over there, but they took it down for some reason, I don't know why. I'll go show you waves in a minute because they are quite big today.
You went watering holes, put videos on.
Yeah?
I've seen it recently.
How did you get a 6-day streak? Sat outside the watering hole. Started raining, so we came for a pint, and the minute we got here, it stopped raining. Like, literally instantly. By the time we'd moved here, it had stopped. It was just nuts. But I'm not going to complain, because I got a pint of Korev, Cornish finest. It's awesome.
You open it.
While Bethan's catching bell sprouts.
Oh, it's getting better.
And Harrison's digging holes in the middle of the pub, because the beach is literally...
Don't you sandwich with
The
it?
beach is on the pub. The pub's on the beach for a mile. Only had one sip. Concrete ISO. What are you doing, Dove?
Hi, we are making a hole to the river.
Well, don't chuck it in then, because you're going to splash people.
It's hard work.
I'm not sure I'd get it. Who just did that?
Griffin!
Okay, oh, your mum's going to go mental. Harrison, you know you've already got ice cream all over your hoodie.
Yeah.
Yeah, mum's great, not happy.
Move your hand.
Are you warm enough?
Yeah, go where I'm going. It's red hot. Stop letting me. Everyone in here. Okay, why?
We used to make dams when we were kids.
What?
We used to make dams when we were kids.
What are dams again?
Oh, you block it up.
You block it
Yeah.
up. We nearly made it. We're building a big river pathway
Alright.
to the water.
Is that what it is?
Are we going swimming today? Or
See what time we get back there then.
some other time? By the way, we have to go every hour because that's when the slides open.
Yeah, we'll go. I've got some footage on GoPro of me bodyboarding, but I don't know what it's turned out like yet.
We've nearly done it! No, we have to make it wide so the water here can get through it.
Watch his fingers.
I will. Look how you
Scruffs.
Let's see if they're clean. I'll wash them off already.
Yeah, mine are clean. I've just washed mine off. Mine are alright now. Come on, I want to see it finished.
It might take a while.
No, you've nearly done it. Nearly.
Who's making that pool like that? But we even won't make that.
Behind you, Bethan.
What?
Back. Here. Here.
What's here?
No, that bit. If you dig that bit, it'll all fall in it.
Ah!
Oh, don't get away from it.
Get away from what? That!
Dirty great big bumblebee just landed on his leg.
I hear something blowing up me.
You're so loud, you dude.
I need to do this
Hey,
bit.
you've done it. You've done it.
That
That's
was
it.
creepy.
It's done. You've made your own little pond. I don't know why you're doing that, but hey, oh. It's all
We
gravy.
need to make a deep pool. Look at it.
Yeah, but that's actually a bit too deep for your two, because your two can't swim. That's actually carved into rocks. Huh? Why are you stuck? Harrison, you come on to here. Steady, that's it.
Maybe we've got the bodyboards going.
Yeah. It's quite deep though, mate, that. A lot of people are jumping into it. Watch.
That's actually quite cool.
Yeah, it's also quite deep.
If I get any tall.
Looks dramatic, doesn't it? Actually makes it look as though it's not warm, when actually it really is proper, beautiful red oak. Little weirdos. Kids! Mum's over there. Pick wigs for tea then.
Yeah.
Pick a wigs.
So they're going to help me, yeah? Harrison, this way.
That for a sandcastle behind you, Bethan. There, that sandcastle behind you. In fact, they spent hours building that.
Can I fish a flipper?
That concrete eyesore that they're building.